Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've got it calibrated to Repetier host on my Delta 3D printer. I have had to use auto bed leveling, which I've not turned on at the moment, and I had to preset all the settings on Repetier host. At the moment we are printing a 20mm by 20mm cube. Go closer, 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 closer. Estimated print time is in 10 minutes. We have about 20mm infill. Hope you like my second YouTube video, and please subscribe, like, and down the bottom. And also, as I said before, live long and 3D prosper.